Message record. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Focus with Fido, and I have a very interesting video for you guys where I currently remade a song. It is Hail by Shano, and in just playing around FL Studio because I have some experience with FL Studio for quite some time. So I went ahead. I can break down the project for you very quickly so you can understand what is happening. What did I do? I listened to the main instrument. I only took the main chords from it, and that was it. Based on memory, I tried to recreate the instrument, and then I did do some unique things in there. So this is the main chords I extracted off the beat. That's it. Then I went ahead and I did the drums my specific way, my special way. So this is the drum I did. This is the bass. Okay. Alright guys, so you guys, I'm just gonna run it through. I'm not gonna go through making it over, but this is what I did. Made over Shano instrumental for his beat Hail. Oh, I didn't even push them into the master. I'm gonna push everything to the master quickly. So yeah, we try to probably master it one time live. But that's all I'll be doing. I'll be going into it. This is my main keys, so I want to probably put it in the equalizer, EQ. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it quickly. I need to do probably some extra courses on master and mixing. I do like to put it in the Maximus too. And I like to put it in bands. Oh, put the wrong one in bands. Enough. just have this one more thing I need to include with it is the solo. I did do the solo quickly. So then we're gonna hear just quick. Okay, this is it with the quick little mastering. I don't think it's anything good. I hope it's something good, pleasing to the ear. We're gonna run it through it this last time, and then yeah, that'll be the video.
Keep your ear, and if my chop out you not